In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Risk of Rain 2 multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Risk of Rain 2 offers multiplayer with up to 4 people by default. You can increase this limit with the use of commands or mods, but I'm not going to cover it in this video. So, to play together with your friends, you have to go over to the multiplayer menu. One thing I want to note, however, is that if you go over to settings, you can actually enable or disable crossplay, but this is only going to be between Steam and Epic Games, so you cannot do crossplay between PC and consoles, for example. Keep that in mind. But you can go ahead and set this option to whatever you prefer. After this is done, what you have to do is go over to multiplayer. If the option was enabled, you will only see lobbies from people who also have it enabled, and if it is disabled, you will only see lobbies from people who also disable the option. So you will have two main ways of doing it. At the left, you will have the option to create or join a multiplayer game. This will allow you to browse through all of these servers, aka the games, and you can join any of these sessions according to your preferences. It is also used if you are going to be connecting between Steam and Epic. So one of you creates the session and the other person will be able to go over to join game, highlight the session and join. You can set up a password if you only want your friends to join, and you all will be able to play once you are inside of the game. Alternatively, you also have the lobby at the right. In the lobby, you will see yourself as the leader, and then you can choose the option to invite your friends through Steam. So you click the plus sign and then you invite them through Steam or Epic. It is simpler, so if everyone's on the same platform, I highly recommend just using this instead. You can populate the lobby with up to 4 people, including you, so 3 friends of yours, and then go ahead and start. Once everyone is ready, you will all be able to play. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.